Hello there, algebra students. Mr. Kashi speaking. Today we're going to be studying how to multiply binomials. That's in Chapter 9 and Section 3. If you get stuck, you can refer to page 505 in your textbook for more notes and information. This first example, we're just going to review what distributive property is. So if I wanted to multiply 3 by the quantity x plus 4, I would have to split that up. I'd multiply 3 by x and 3 by 4. Some people call that bombing the fort, and we're just using that with multiplication. So we'd have 3x plus 3 times 4, and then we could simplify that 3 times 4 and get 3x plus 12. This is just a short review of the distributive property, because we're going to take this idea and we're going to use it in our first technique on how to multiply binomials. So really this is just multiplying a constant by a binomial, but now we're going to multiply two binomials together. So here in this case we have 2x plus 3 times x plus 4. And really we're going to use that same idea, but we're going to take this whole first term and we're going to distribute it in to the x, and we're going to distribute it into the 4. So here I'm going to split that up, so I'm going to have x times 2x plus 3 plus 4 times 2x plus 3. And so now I've split it up and I can use the distributive property again to find out what all of our terms are here. So I can distribute that x to the 2x and distribute that x into the 3. So here we would have 2x squared, because the x times x gives us x squared. And then we have x times 3, and that's a positive 3x. Plus, we have 4 times 2x, which is 8x, and we have 4 times 3, which is 12. Then finally, with this, we have like terms in the middle here. We have a 3x and an 8x. So we would combine those together to get a final simplified answer of 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Using the distributive property, we almost do it twice, where we distribute that 2x plus 3 into the x plus 4, and then we use it on either side of our expression here, distributing the x in and distributing the 4 in green there. I want to have you use this technique on the next problem in your notes with this 6h minus 7 and 2h plus 3. And I'll be coming around to check your work on that.